Hello and welcome to the fourth video tutorial on Google Maps for Fortismere School. Now we're going to be drawing some fields and images and shapes. So what's happened is I'm going to zoom out, and this is the field. The field is a really big area, and so I'm going to mark this because this is where I take my PE lessons. So if I've clicked on this here, this is the draw a shape, and you get a little footnote to remind you. So I just click and I start drawing. Just like when drawing a line, you just have to keep adding points as you get to a corner or a point or some form of movement. I suggest that you keep these distances reasonably short. But obviously with straight lines, you can just use a very long line. Now, to finish this shape, you just double click on the original point and you can name it. So I'm going to call this the field, and enter my description. This is where we do PE and can spend time on in the summer. And we click OK. So you've drawn a shape. Let's zoom out to see the finished thing. Now I've got a little problem here. My line is blue, and so is the field. Now I want these to be different because they're not connected. So if you click on this, you'll get the box again. You can edit your text, your title, or add videos and pictures, which we'll get to later. But to change the colour, you'll see a little box up here. If you click on this, it'll give you some options. You can change the line colour around the edge. So I'm going to click on, say, white. You can then change how wide your line is. I'm going to change that to 5. You can then change the line opacity, which is how thick it appears, how dense. I'm going to change that to 50. Then you can change the colour, what we wanted to do. You just go and you choose a colour, much with the line. I've chosen green because it's a green field. You can then do the fill opacity, but I'm OK with 45, so I'll click OK. Then, if we click OK again, our changes are now complete. But to make sure that we don't lose these, I'm going to click Save over here, and that is how you draw an image.